You are watching Climate Samurai. And this is Electric Vehicle Headlines.
Fisker and Foxconn signed framework agreements for Project PEAR. Fisker has signed framework agreements with Foxconn supporting joint development and manufacturing related to Project PEAR, Personal Electric Automotive Revolution, a program to develop a new breakthrough electric vehicle. Under the agreements, Fisker and Foxconn will jointly invest into Project PEAR, with each company taking proceeds from the successful delivery of the program. Electric scooter startup Bird Rides announces to go public in $2.3 billion blank check deal. Electric scooter startup Bird Rides said on Wednesday it would merge with blank check company Switchback II Corp to go public in a deal valuing the electric scooter rental company at $2.3 billion. Government set to release Indian standards for low-cost AC charging point for electric vehicles soon. The government has said that Indian standards for low-cost AC charging point for electric vehicles will be released within the next 2 months, with target prices starting as low as 3,500 rupees for a charging unit. OLA EV, a new category for riders in London, launched. OLA has announced launching a new electric vehicle category named as OLA EV on its platform. This will allow riders to specifically book rides in fully electric vehicles. OLA EV is a global first for OLA and will be available across London. The company plans to roll out to other cities around the world where OLA is operational over the time. Italy fines Google for excluding Enel e-car app from Android Auto. Italy's competition regulator has fined Google $102 million for excluding an e-mobility app developed by Enel from the US tech giant's Android system. Ford to unveil F-150 Lightning on May 19. Ford is all set to unveil the next-gen F-150 electric Avatar, named Lightning, on May 19 at its headquarters. The all-new electric truck will be the first from Ford to carry the moniker. It is said to be the most innovative truck Ford have released yet. Production-linked incentive scheme for battery storage to bring down electric vehicle cost, says manufacturers. Society of Manufacturers of Electric Vehicles, SMEV, said the production-linked incentive scheme for promoting battery storage will lead to the reduction of cost on purchase of electric vehicles, thereby accelerating accessibility. Welcoming the government's approval of the PLI scheme for promoting battery storage at an estimated outlay of 18,100 rupees crore, SMEV also said it will attract huge investments in the electric vehicle industry in the next 1 to 2 years. Government approves 18,100 rupees CR production-linked incentive scheme for promoting advanced chemistry cell battery manufacturing. The government has approved the production-linked incentive (PLI) scheme for manufacturing advanced chemistry cell (ACC) battery at an estimated outlay of 18,100 rupees crore. With the objective to promote the Make in India initiative, the National Program on Advanced Chemistry Cell (ACC) battery storage is expected to attract foreign and domestic investment of 45,000 rupees crore, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar told reporters after the cabinet meeting. Tesla appoints Prashant R. Menon as director for its India operations. Tesla has appointed Prashant R. Menon as director for its India operations. Menon has been with Tesla for 4 years now and has taken charge to oversee the company's introduction in India. Hyundai Transys to develop world's first disconnector technology for electric vehicles. Hyundai Transys has that it developed the world's first all-wheel drive disconnector system for electric vehicles and started mass production from last month. All-wheel drive disconnector system technology for electric vehicles is applied to the Hyundai Motor Group electric vehicle platform EGMP, and was first installed on Ioniq 5.
That's all for this week. Have a great day. Visit www.climatesamurai.com for all the updates. Please like, share and subscribe.